This is the MORENTO space heater. Arrived quickly, well packaged. Been using it for a few days. I'll give you my review on it. So it's got a nice big heavy cord. I like that. It's 6 foot long. Let's plug it in. Comes with a remote control, or you can do all the controls without the remote. The manual's written in English. It's easy to read, but honestly, you don't need it. So let's go ahead and run this thing. So with the remote control, I'm turning it on. It remembers the last settings, how you had it set up last time. So I can, let's put this into heating mode, hit the mode button. And there's heating. And then you can do kind of normal stuff like set the temperature. So hit the button, just get it back to something sensible. So that's straightforward. Then it's got a swivel function. There goes the swivel. And it's nice and quiet. You don't hear the swivel mechanism when it's running, so it wouldn't wake you up. Let's turn it off. The fan itself is quiet, doesn't vibrate. Obviously there's a little bit of noise involved with the fan, but you could have this in the bedroom and it wouldn't upset you at all. It's got a timer function, which is nice. So you can set how many hours you're going to hit the plus button here. You can set how many hours it's going to stay on for. That's nice. It has a tilt turn off function. If the thing gets knocked over, it shuts off. And at that point, it doesn't come back on. You've got to reset, you've got to turn the thing back on, which makes sense because if something had tipped it over, you definitely want to pay attention to what happened. So I'll just hit the power button now and it reverts back to how it was last time. It's built well, it feels solid. It's, what's the weight of it? I don't know, probably 4 pounds, something like that. I've always in the past had these cheap ones from
Just got this little fan. I love it. It's compact. I'm going to take it to my office. It's got options, and you can adjust the temperature on it of how high or how cold you want it. It oscillates. It's got a timer, so you can set the timer for as long as you want. But I love it because it has a remote control, so I can turn it off when I want. And it doesn't count a third.
Only how many percent?
Around like roughly 2/3 of Americans vote. If that. But if you look at the numbers, it's like 47.